late for your turn. Good morning.
Cleaning time.
It smells so good. I can start now. But she hasn't even stopped to see what's happening. Maybe I can fix it. How strange! It's indicating that there's no fruit left. Didn't you find out? Yes, of course. About what? There's no fruit in the factory because it hasn't rained for a long time and the trees are drying out. What? We have to organize an emergency meeting right away. Let's see. I don't want to forget to say it. I propose to create a team to help find out why it isn't raining.
Great speech!
We have to put a stop to the drought, or there will be no more cry juice ever at Tutti Frutti Bay. We have to do something now. We can't continue waiting. I think...
Something now! Something now! Something now!
The rain dance is coming along fabulously. By logic, this is not going to work. A dance doesn't make it rain. What? I can't hear you. That's it. Very good. Are you okay? Look at that. We attracted a cloud. But how's that possible? We already have the cloud, even though there's no rain yet. And now, let's throw sneezy powders on the cloud so that it'll sneeze. What a good idea!
The cannon is ready to send the sneezy powders.
Well, let's start the countdown.
10,
Sneezy
9,
powders?
8,
But that's not
7,
possible.
6, 5,
Wait.
4.
Ow! Come on, babies. Let's keep trying. And now, Lala is going to tell a sad story so the clouds will cry.
It doesn't rain. It doesn't rain. Hey, get down from there. Hey, bring that. And that one.
They're crying with laughter. The clouds could also cry with laughter. While they laugh, Tutti Frutti Bay is drying out.
Magic tears, jelly! It's not working.
Of course, it's obvious it's not going to work.
And why didn't you say so before?
I tried to, but you were so excited trying things that I couldn't tell you.
Well, we want to hear you now.
There are clouds in the sky, but they don't get dark, nor are they moving to the fields. Of course, because there's no wind. They need the wind in order to move over the lake. The water will evaporate, charging the clouds so it falls over the fields. And what do we do to make wind? Well, that's it. Let's use the Taste Factory's windmill as a fan.
Yeah, we could put an engine on it.
That's it. It will be more powerful. I think the windmill will work.
It's time to press the button so the windmill turns faster.
Mel, I think you should do it. You worked so hard to get it. Take it, Rain! Yeah!